Hey guys, just wanted to do an unboxing video today. Got home today from work and the new Savage X from HPI has finally arrived. All right, let's get to the unboxing. Let's get to the fun part. Haven't had a new RC truck in probably since the USA one in probably 20 years or so. So not quite sure what to expect here. Looks like there's a Savage in the box. That makes sense. Look at that. We got ourselves a Savage. Cool. Let's open this thing up, see what's inside. Let's try it from the right side. Ah, nice. What do we got here? Not sure what that is. We got some tools, the usual tools, spacers, ball ends, possibly some sort of a roll cage. Not that familiar with it, but so far so good. Got ourselves a remote. Let's see what this is. Nice. Not too shabby. Feels pretty comfy. Steering feels nice. Kind of nice position. Having the trigger and the steering kind of in the same plane or same height. That feels pretty good. Little antenna action. Not bad. Let's keep going. What else is in here? Oh, there we go. There's the beast. Nice. Got the, what is this, inspection manual. Some sticker cards, or sheet stickers. The usual English, French, German, Spanish, and not sure what that is. Connect with API, warranty registration card. We'll definitely be doing that. And similar to the USA one, the book of how it's done. All the what have yous, what to do, what not to do, part numbers, which by the way on the USA one have already come in very handy as it's broken down once. And it's only burned about 2 gallons so far, so let's pull the body pins out, take the body off, see what we got. Just make sure we're still in frame. Oh yeah. Nice. Not a bad body. Pretty cool looking. Kind of new school, squared off and all that. Pretty cool. I like that. I like the orange. Pretty nice. Well, there it is. The new Savage X. Awesome. Of course, the usual caution stickers. What else is on top of the motor there? Read manual before starting. Ooh, we'll definitely do that. We want to mess it up. All right, let's get some close-ups here. See what we're looking at a little bit. Let you guys see it from really close. Take the body off, maybe come in on a couple of things, see what you guys think. I've probably been looking at it now for about 5 or 10 minutes and just realized how much beefier it is than the USA one. This thing's like up there with the beefiness level of my Offna Titan Twin. Another one I've had for ever and ever and ever. Can't focus, there we go. What's really shocking is the suspension. The suspension and the control arms are just massive. I mean, there is so much meat inside these wheels for suspension. Very, very different than what I remember from back in the day. and also on that USA 1 that I just got. Oh, looking pretty good. I'm pretty excited about it. We're lucky we still have a lot of construction in the subdivision that we live in because they're still building it out. And we'll have some prime real estate for bashing and smashing here soon. Pretty cool. I'm pretty impressed. The more and more I look at it, I just see more and more things that I like. Pretty big gear. I like how only the spur and the pinion are out in the open and the rest of the tranny's hidden. That's pretty nice because the USA 1's got the open 3-speed and it sure gets sure catches a fair share of snow and rocks in those gears, let me tell you. Oops. Very cool. Very cool.